Hello, Arav. Am I audible? Hello. Hi, Arav. Am I audible?
Promise.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, miss.
Yeah, can you turn on your camera, please?
Miss what?
Can you turn on your camera? All right. So, yeah, could you give a brief introduction about yourself?
Um, a brief introduction about myself. As you know, my name. I like sports a lot. Um, I like to play games. I like to solve the Rubik's cube in
Okay.
my free time. I mean, that's if and when I have free time.
Okay. All right.
But
I mean,
yeah,
it's good to hear that. Yeah, I'm Anuradha, and I have been taking classes for 5+ years. So yeah, I have taught two different curriculum. Now today we'll start a topic that you have taken as like one is laws of exponents, yeah, and
yeah,
one of the topic you have taken is significant figures. Next topic is
yeah,
that absolute values. Okay, so we'll
yeah.
start one by one and then we'll solve the questions based on that. Okay. So first we'll start with exponent laws. I will be keep on asking between them. If you know, then you can answer those. Okay. So first thing we'll
Okay.
learn is laws of exponents. Next topic would be significant figures, rounding off, approximations, estimations, and upper bound, lower bounds, all those. So significant figures, that will rules of that significant figures, that will be stability. And after that, we can talk about approximations and bounds, that is lower bounds, upper bounds. Okay. Then there is an absolute value. Okay. So yeah, we'll start with first one, which is that will be rules of exponents. Rules of exponents. So yeah, can you tell me, let's say, if I take this one, 2 power, maybe -1. Can you tell what should be the answer for that?
Um, Miss, do you want me to like solve this?
Yeah, if you know that, you can answer that. You can try answering that. Otherwise, I will explain that.
Okay. So if I open the brackets, and then it'll be 2 to the power of -1. Instead, I will. It'll be 1 by 2.
Yes, exactly. That would be 1 by 2. Very good. So, yeah,
Yeah.
from that, the rule will be that, talk about this. The rule will be, for example, if I write here, um, 2 power 2, or I mean something, I'll write a rule here. Something, if like that, we just do those many times. Like, for example, let's say if we have 2 power 2, what does it mean? I will
Yeah.
multiply 2 times 2, that is 4. Let's say if
Yeah.
I have 2 cube, then I will just multiply that with 3 times. So 2, 2, 2, that will be 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, this one, this particular thing is called as, this is called as base. This is called as
Okay.
exponent. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. So here the power is negative. What happens in that particular case? You reciprocate that. So if I ask you like this, 2
Yeah.
power -2, the same thing, 4 here, but it will be reciprocated. That is 1 over 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Similarly, if I write here 2 power -3, what does it mean? It will be
Uh,
reciprocated.
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Exactly. So we can write here 1 over 8. Okay. So like that. Okay. So now can you tell, it's very simple question. Now, can you tell that 1 power -1?
It will be. Wait. Oh, okay. It will be 1, right?
Yes, it will be 1. Because we'll do 1 over 1, that is 1. Right.
Yeah.
Now, let's say if we have a number like that, let's say negative number is there. Let's say if I ask you -2 power 2. I will ask you this one first. So can you tell answer for this?
Uh, 1 by 4.
No. This here is a difference. You can see
Ah.
that here exponent is -2. But in this particular
Okay.
case, this base is -2. That means you're multiplying -2 and -2 two times.
So it'll be a positive then. It'll be 4
Cause
because 2 negatives.
exactly. Let's say if I have just one more, then you can note that this is. Let's say this is not this one. I will give you this one. Yeah,
Yeah. Um, it'll be. It'll be a negative value.
it will be a negative value. Why so?
Um, because when you're multiplying a negative number 5 times, so 2 negative numbers will give you a positive value, but then an odd number of that
Times.
negative values multiplied is a negative value
Yes, exactly.
because it'll go
Because we
back
are
to it.
multiplying -2 5 times. So it will be a negative. So yes, that's true. It will be negative. And we can multiply 2 5 times. Can you multiply this 2 5 times? Negative. I will just write negative value and then you can multiply this 5 times.
Yeah. So -2 into -2. I mean, yeah, that's that is 4. That's 8. Um, it'll be negative 32.
Negative 32. Very good. So it will be a negative 32. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Now, yes. Now, if I ask you, negative 3 power negative 3.
Um, I'm actually not sure how to do this one.
Okay. First of all, here you can see that base. Base is negative 3, right? Okay. And
Yes.
here exponent is negative 3. So
Yep.
whenever exponent is negative, you will reciprocate that. Okay. So I can
Yeah.
write this one as 1 divided by negative 3 power 3. Can I write like this?
Yeah.
Right? Because if it is going in a denominator, it will be positive power. Right?
Yeah.
If it is in a denominator, it will be positive power. So that's how
Yeah.
I have written this one 1 over negative 1 power, negative 3 over 3. Is it clear?
Yeah. It'll be 1 by um. It'll be 1 by negative 27.
Yes, exactly. 1 by negative
Or just
27.
negative. Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. Yes, now let me ask you negative 4 power, maybe negative 2. Yeah, can you answer this?
Same. It'll be reciprocated. So then it'll
Reciprocated.
be. So then that's. It'll be 1 by 16.
1 by 16. Yes, it's positive because power is even here. So that's why it is positive.
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. Now, yes. So this is, now let me ask you if, yeah, here the power, we can see that the power was like integer. Yeah. Now, if
Yeah.
the power is not integer, it's a rational number. Let's say, I will take simple example. Maybe 4 power. I can take here 1 over 2. I will start with that. Can you answer this one?
It'll be 2.
Yes, very good. It will be 2. So how did you write that? I mean, that is a process like 2 square, 1 over 2, and then you cancel this. So it will be 2,
Yeah.
right? So
Right.
this is the one. Let's say if in the same, if I ask you like this, there is a 4 power, um, 3 over 2. Yes. Yeah. Now, can you answer this one?
Um, no, I don't know how to do that.
Nothing. In this one, the same thing. You will. The process is that you will write 4 as 2 square like that. Okay. And now you write this way.
Then it is cancelled, the both
Yes,
the twos,
exactly.
and then you cube it. So then it's 8.
Then it's 8. Yes, exactly. Then it's 8. Perfect.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. Let me ask then. If it is 8, okay, and it is 2 over 3. Yeah. How will you answer this one? The same process
it
we need to apply here.
so then I'll put 2 in the brackets.
Okay.
I mean 2 cubes, sorry, in the
2 cube
brackets.
in the bracket. Yes.
And then I will cancel both the 3's, then square 2, it'll be 4.
Yes. Very good. Yeah. You will cancel both 3 here, and then that is 2
Yes,
square. So 2 square answer will be 4.
4.
Yes. That is correct. Similarly, in the same, if I ask you like this, if it is negative, like 8 power negative 2 divided by 3, then how will you answer that?
Um, I would do the same thing as it'll be 2 cube in the brackets and then to the power of negative 2 by 3.
Negative 2 by 3. Yes, that's correct.
I cancel out the 3's, then it'll be it'll be 1 by 4.
It will be 1 by 4. Exactly. It will be 1 by 4. Yes. Okay. Very good. Very good. So, did you understood that how to find this negative power is there? If I mean base is negative, then how to answer that? Next thing is, if the power is rational form, then how to answer those kind of questions, right? So,
Yeah.
do you have any questions as of now?
Well, what if the base is rational?
What if the base is rational? Yes, we are going to discuss that also. So, let's say if the base is rational, let's say maybe we can take as 16 divided by 25, and here the
Yeah.
power is maybe I will take here square, I will take as 3 over. Okay, now, okay,
Yeah.
yes. So here you can see that
Um,
base, yeah,
no,
base
it's
is
fine. It's,
rational.
yes, it is. I don't know how to do it. That's why I asked the
Oh,
question, what would be the
yes,
base?
yes, yes. Same way, we just need to do, we can write here 16 as 4 square and 25
Yeah,
as 5 square. Yeah.
5 square.
And that has power as 3 over 2.
And then I cancel the
Yeah.
2's.
First, we'll combine like that 4 over 5, and power here is 2. And whole power is 3 over 2, like that. We combine is this way. Okay.
Yeah,
Because that whole is 2. Now, same thing. You can cancel. You can cancel these. You can cancel these.
yeah,
All right. Now, once you cancel this, that is 4 divided by 5, and power is 3.
yeah. It will be uh, 64 by 125.
64 divided by 125. Yes, very good. That is the answer here. Okay. I will give you a
Yes.
similar question to this. So, let's say mm there is a 64 and then there is a 27 here. Okay. Now, let's say the exponent is there is a 2 over 3. Yeah, can you answer this one?
Sure. I'll put it as 8 square by... Oh wait, no, sorry. I'll put it as 4 cube by
Q,
3 cube in the bracket.
yes. 4Q divided by 3Q. Yes, exactly.
Then I'll... Yeah. Yeah, so when it's 4 cube by 3 cube, it'll be in the brackets. Then, and then the power outside will be 2 by 3.
Yes, power outside will be 2 by 3. Yes.
And then in the brackets, it'll just be 4 by 3. Then the power outside is 3. Then the one outside is 2 by 3. I cancel out the 3's. And
Exactly.
then it is 16 by 9.
16 by 9. Yes, that's correct answer. Okay.
Yeah,
So I did you got that how to solve when the base is also rational and exponent is also rational. How to solve those kind of questions, right? You got that
yeah,
point? Okay.
I got it. Yeah.
All right. Similarly, let's take. I will give you one more to solve. Let's say there is 125, then there is maybe 64, and I will take a negative exponent here, maybe 103. Can you try this?
Yeah. So I would put it as 5 cube by 4 cube
Yes.
in the brackets. And then the power outside is negative 1 by 3.
Yes, that's correct.
Then I cancel out the 3's.
Yes.
Um, yeah, it's now I'm not sure what to do for this final step.
Okay. Now it just you have to multiply that, right? So this is 1 here and this is
Multiply.
-1. So 5 divided by 4 and power is -1.
Yes.
We just multiply that. These powers, we'll multiply those powers. So that will be power is -1. Okay. Now that is reciprocal.
Mm.
So what
Oh,
should
oh
we
yeah, yeah.
take?
So then it'll just be 4 by 5. It'll just be 4 by 5
Yes, 4 by 5.
to make it a positive exponent.
Yes, positive exponent power. All right.
Yeah.
So this was a rule that was based on power, like how we multiply the
Yeah.
power, how if base is rational or power is rational, exponent is rational, how to solve those kind of questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the second rule is that if you can see like if the base is same, multiplication rule. So what is that rule is, let's say there is a power m and there is a power n, like that. So here you can see the
Yeah.
base is same. So what should I do? I should not multiply, solve this and then we solve. That will be too much complicated. So the rule is that when the base is same, this is the base. When the base is same, we add the powers, we add the exponents. So it will be
Yeah.
a power m plus n, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will write third one also, then you'll solve the questions.
Okay.
Similarly, let's say division rule. What is division rule? In that there will be like a power m and a power n. So in this rule also the base is same. Okay, so what should I do in
But
that
this time
case?
the powers will be subtracted.
Yes, exactly, the power will be subtracted. Okay, so let's say there is 2 power. I will start with q, yeah, and then there is a multiplication with 2 power negative 5. Okay, so yeah, can you tell the answer for this
2
one?
to the power of negative 2.
Yes, and what is that? 2 to the power of negative 2?
And then 2 to the power of negative 2 will be 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Yes, it will be 1 by 4. Right. Now let's say there is like 2 power negative 4, and there is in division that there is 2 power negative 6. It's simple. So yeah, can you tell answer for this one?
It'll be 2 to the power of 2 and it'll equal to 4.
It will equal to 4. Yes, exactly. Okay. Now here I will take a fraction, then you tell me what should be the answer for that. Let's say there is 2 power, maybe I can take here 3 over 2, and there is, I will take
Okay.
here 2 power negative 1 over 2. Can you answer this one?
Um, okay. Um, yeah, I don't know how to do this. I
Same,
mean,
same
on
way.
the, oh yeah, okay,
Here is base. You'll add both of these, okay? So this is
yes,
3 over 2 negative 1 over 2. You will add both of these,
yeah,
right? How do
okay,
you add these? Can you tell this?
yeah. Subtract it now, so it'll
Yeah,
just be 1, so then it'll just be
very
2, the answer's 2.
yes. The answer will be 2. It's very simple. Yeah.
Yep,
Uh, let's say if I take in a division, let's say I take a number like this, maybe 5 over 3, and in denominator it is 2 power, maybe I can take here 7 divided by 3. Okay,
yeah.
so
It'll be 2 to the power of negative 2 by 3.
yes, very good. 2 to the power of negative 2 divided by 3. Yes. So same thing, we just need to subtract these, the fractions, we need to subtract those, okay? Right.
Yeah,
Uh, any questions so far?
no,
No
I understand
questions.
it.
All right. Okay. Yes. Let me take one more example related to that. Let's say 6 power. I will take 3 power, maybe 5 power. 3 over 2, and here not 3 over 2. I will take 4 over 6, and there is 5 power is uh, 2 over 3. Yeah. Can you answer this one?
Yeah, it'll be 5 to the power of 0 by 6, and since 0 by 6 is 0, the answer will be 1.
It will be 1, because obviously this is 2 over 3, right?
Yeah,
So this is 2 over 3, and this is 5 power 2 over 3. So obviously This is going to give us 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, mostly, yeah, these are the main laws like exponent, multiplication, division, and how the powers are negative if the power is fractional, how how to solve those kind of questions. Okay.
Yeah.
In that also I can take one few more, also I can add few more things. Let's say if I take this one, 5 power 5 power 2 over 3, 5 power 1 over 3, and divide by, uh, I can take here 5 power, maybe I can take here 5 power negative 1 over 3. Here I can take 5 power negative 2 over 3. Okay, now can you answer this one?
Okay. So on the top it will be 5.
Yes,
It'll
it will
just be
be
5
5. Yes.
by it's gonna be 5 is about negative 1 by 3.
Um, Here it will be negative 3 by 3, right?
Oh, so
Negative
then
3
it's
by 3.
just negative 3 by 3. So it's, yeah, okay. It's negative 1 then, right? The power.
Yeah, the power will be negative 1 in denominator, right?
Yeah,
Because you
so
can
then the
see that.
answer just be 1, right?
No, answer will be because here it is negative 1 power. So we
Yeah,
can't cancel this.
okay.
So
But
it
we
will be,
can reciprocate it, right?
yes, we can reciprocate. Yes, we can.
Yeah.
So yeah, what should be answer here?
It'll be 5 to the 5 by 5. So it will also be 1.
No, it will not be 1. Here you can see that 5, and this is like we know that whenever in a division base is same, then we can subtract the powers. Like here is 1, here is negative 1.
Oh, yeah.
So like that
This
also, right? So here it will be
will
5
be
square.
2. So it's
Yes,
25.
25. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is all about exponents, rules of exponents. Okay. If you have any doubt so far, you can ask.
No doubt so far.
No doubts. Okay. All right. So yeah, we have 5. I mean, actually, this is not paid one that Zoom. So 5 minutes after that, you can rejoin the same link here. Okay, because it
Okay.
will be yeah, disconnected after 5 minutes. Okay. So rejoin because we have time. All right.
Okay.
So yes, now the next is uh, significant figures. I will talk about the significant figure first, then we'll go ahead with other topics. So significant figures. Okay, so I will ask you a few questions and based on that we'll go ahead. Let's say if this is there, this is just 100. Okay, can you tell how many number of significant figures are there?
1.
Yes, exactly. Now, if this is there, how many number of significant figures?
It will be 4 or just 3. Wait, it
Here
will
we
be 4.
here will we count that. This one will count here. So it is 3. Yes, exactly. It is
Oh,
3. So whenever decimal is there, we count that. We count those
okay.
zeros, but here we'll not count. Okay. So the rule is that, I will write that rule, that zeros to the right of the numbers will not be the significant figures. Okay, so zeros to the right of numbers, non-zero numbers, obviously, numbers will not be significant figures. But if it is if there is a decimal, then we count those other significant figures. So, but if there is decimal, then we count zeros as significant figures. So, yeah, significant figures are like, those are the numbers from 0 to 9 that should matter for that particular number. I mean, if that zeros come in between, then we count those also again as a significant figures. Let's say, if I write here 1, 0, 3. Now here we'll count those as a significant figures. Okay,
because it's in
so
between.
in between, yes. So yeah, so how many number of significant figures are there here?
Oh,
4. Yes. So from that we can write a rule that if the zeros are in between that, we count those as a significant figures. So if zeros are in between that, if zeros are between two numbers, we count those as significant numbers.
yeah.
Now let's say similarly, here also we'll not count those. Let's say if there is 0.012. Now can you tell how many number of significant figures?
2.
2. Yes, exactly. So in